Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Should old acquaintance
That's not what this stream is.
Ham and bone.
It's Happy New Year of what?
Hello, everyone. Hambone. What was it? No room for teeth, only brain.
Froggy went according and he did right hand bone.
Happy New Year.
Pastry.
Hi.
I have too much brain.
Yeah, Pastry was bragging about how much brain they have because they have no wisdom teeth.
I have no wisdom teeth and a slightly bigger brain because
You
of
have no
it.
wisdom. There's a difference.
God damn it!
And then they were trying to tell me about the Blue Angels, the flying teeth.
The Blue Angels, the flying teeth.
All
Yes.
that brain. How are you ever going to do that? And Rob wants to collaborate. No, you know what, Rob? No. You don't get to do that.
I just making a fucking pop-up came up.
Don't you have to be live for that to pop up?
You had a
That's
choice
wild.
to press the button or not.
He did.
Anyway, yeah, everybody, welcome. There's a weird opening, but welcome to the stream. How we doing? It's
Hiya.
Is it never not a weird?
it's true, yeah. If anything, it's like it makes me feel good when we all get back together again, and it's just like we immediately slip into this just dog shit opening. We always do. Where someone's like penis right before we start, and I'm like, oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, someone. What a bastard. Oh.
I wonder who that
I'm
could
talking
be.
about ham. I don't know.
At least I turned up with ages of time
Well, yeah,
to
but
find out what was going
Pastry
on.
thinks that's a bad word anyway, Lynchy, so.
No, ham
Ham,
is
that's
fine.
gammon.
It's the other one.
Yeah, but
Oh,
ham
don't
is
say
gammon.
that. No.
God damn it.
Everyone has bones, okay?
Yep. How we doing, everybody? We all got bones. We all good?
Oh, I've
I
got
don't know
bones.
anymore. My bones fell out.
Meat is muscle. Yeah. But yeah,
It's muscled out. Don't know.
Those dear.
folks, you've joined us. You have joined us for
.png.
our 6th
Muscle
anniversary.
meat.
6th anniversary as the bot.
6 years of this
Like the
clusterfuck.
band.
Yeah, that was
What's
2019.
sixth do?
This time-ish, January, and it would have been. Was it when we
When we
started
were
playing
like,
the forest?
What a good year 2020 is going to be, and like
It was like week 1 or week 2 of the forest or something. I feel.
It's all been downhill
man.
since there.
for the world, Tom, for the world, not for us.
Fucking why have
Yeah,
you
that's what I
posted
meant.
that in the
Maybe.
admin chat? God damn it!
What's supposed to be the
Fuck's sake!
Why is there a dead deer?
Ask Rob.
Dear.png.
That's our newest emote for the channel. No.
Oh God.
Oh, I ate that tonight.
I hate that.
Was it good or did you get brainworms?
Sound.
It was really tasty. I made it into a stew with some red wine. It was really good. However,
Delicious.
when I was skinning it in the bath, Wendy did keep referring to it as my Dharma setup, and I'm like, no, please don't say that. Like,
This is what I was
Because
saying to
it's
you
near the
in
bu-
your chat when you were talking about that. You were like, you know, you preserved this deer or whatever. It's essentially frozen, and and you're like, I'm gonna, you know, butcher it and we'll eat it. And everyone was like, what the fuck? And I was like, you know, I'm not like against the idea of that. I think that's fine. I just wouldn't be able to do it. Like I couldn't see
someone's
me
gotta
on an
do it, right?
afternoon sat there in the bathtub with a dead deer skinning it. I feel like I'd lose my mind.
just to be
I'm
clear,
just
Maelstrom,
not over
I
that
want to
it's
say,
roadkill.
I just want to say, Maelstrom, just to clear up the imagery here, I was not sat in the bathtub with it. I didn't get in with it and was like,
He
"Hey, it's us
gave it a nice
together."
shampoo and lava. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my
Cleaned it
god.
up.
In bubble bath, treating it before I tidy it up.
Paint its hooves with piggy paint.
No, it was actually more like in the bathtub. But when he came in, and I was like, there was like a hacksaw and a fucking knife and like some gardening loppers to get the head off. And Wendy was like, what the fuck is going on here? And like a cardboard box that was lined with a bin bag for the stuff that I didn't want to keep.
Oh.
I had to.
Cool.
I had to do this. I bleached everywhere.
Garden
afterwards.
loppers to get their head off is I think
Okay.
where I drew the line with my mental imagery. I just turned off. Teach a man to
what'd you do
cook
with
and
the
he'll be
head?
fed for the rest of his life. Give a man a dead deer and his bath will never be clean again, says Legolas. Yeah.
Hey, Legolas, I bleached that bath. It's actually like all tidy. The
Rob
suicide will
nude
find
in the
nothing.
bath with the deer. That probably happened.
It did not fucking happen.
Considering you fought flies shirtless last year, Rob, I'm not as sure about this as I should be, says Flower. Rob fighting his inner
What?
demons during Jump King.
Oh,
I remember it well.
Okay.
You
Was
were
that
like
a year
hot
ago?
and sweaty
Well,
and
half a
naked
year
fighting
ago.
mayflies
Half
or
year,
something.
technically.
Yeah, I was listening to Limp Bizkit while fighting flies, partially naked.
Every time I
It was a
jumped in a
bad
call with
time.
you on that, it was insane.
It really
It was like, let's go check out Rob's doing. It was like, he'd be like slapping himself, and I was like, okay, I gotta leave. Back out again.
It was a screaming.
We'll
and
just
then
let
the
him
fact- I was
deal.
like, I'm so glad I put 69 gay points on Rob to be in a demon fight.
every time you came in and were like, I still believe in you. I could just feel it dying a little bit each time where you were like, I still believe in you.
Every time you came in, you were more and more like going like, and now I'm naked, now I'm sweating, now I'm in my underwear. I'm like, oh my god,
I'm in my
what is
underpants, I'm
happening?
sweating, I'm covered in blood. And I was like, okay, Rob,
Covered in blood.
But there was that brief
What's
moment
it
you were
covered in
winning.
blood?
you're covered in the blood of the daddy longlegs. You definitely said that at one point.
You did.
Yeah, actually, yeah,
That's
no,
what
I may
I
have done.
was-
Yeah, I did
that's
hit
what
it
I
and it exploded on me. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh dear.
Jesus
yeah,
Christ.
Okay.
It's okay because you were in the lead for a brief minute, and then
for a very brief minute.
Everyone's still on the deer. Adrian, hold the spine
Yeah.
for daddy. Fornication. Oh god.
Hey, Adrian did want to come in like halfway through
No,
the
Adrian, no.
decluttering
Oh,
process,
no.
and I was
Adrian.
like, buddy, no, stay outside. He's like, I want to see the deer again. I'm like, no, you don't.
Oh,
no.
it's gonna be
I've half peeled. I've
Very
half peeled
different
it
now.
I don't wanna-
Oh,
You gotta
freshly
see this
peeled
now.
deer.
it was, it's not good. No.
Right, well, on that note, chat, that's our little catch up. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you've had a good 2025 so far.
Rob killed a deer.
Rob killed a deer.
I gotta- I'm just gonna put an image in the chat because when I first wake up, usually I have like a thing that happens where my brain will loop like either 3 seconds of a GIF or a piece of music for about 2 hours, and this is what's
Okay.
going in it currently. So there you go. That's what I'm thinking about right now.
They're not going to see it in the
I
thing.
think
but
maybe
yeah.
1 hour is the more reasonable estimate.
It's very
It'll
similar to
go
yesterday,
soon.
the bath.
Oh god. Let me I'll pull it up on stream just so people know what the fuck you're talking about. This if you missed this the other day,
I've lost the stream.
if you missed this the other day, chat, Tom was streaming. At the end of it, he played this fucking video of
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park, but AI have ruined it. And
Oh no.
you have to see that fucking video. It's so good. This is
Oh,
a
you can
cursed
show them the
imagery.
deer too.
I don't
No,
want
we're
to
not
show him the deer.
I worked so hard on that.
The deer's real. The deer's real.
Hey, it's alright, Pastry. I can send you a photo of halfway through the process if you want.
No.
Half peeled deer.
Half peeled. Yeah, exactly.
6th anniversary ban. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay, chat. We're here to celebrate our anniversary though. As the VOT, 6 years. Somehow we've managed to keep it all together that long. who could have guessed that? But
It's all that brain and none of that teeth.
exactly. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
how
well,
we all
Patriot's
that's how we all
smart
stay
brain.
happy. Is no brain, just teeth. But yeah, we're going to be starting off with the wrestle tonight, which is unusual for us. But I figured we're going to go play some games afterwards, and if we're going to play the game that we think we're going to play, I won't tell you what it is quite yet, but if it all goes ahead
Secret.
of plans, then it's one of those games that we will end up just overrunning over and over again. So we're going to start with wrestle. Tuna Mart. Oh God, please.
Yes, we're
wanna
going
enjoy
to my
myself
Tuna
today.
Mart 2.0, which I haven't quite
Tuna.
finished yet, but will.
Tuna 2,
Chat
the
has
sequel.
spoken.
No. check gonna go fuck themselves. Right. I mean, happy anniversary.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New
My
Year!
favourite part was the Smelsham having a breakdown at the back of the shop.
All right, then, here we go. Everybody, welcome to this year's Winter Warfare VOD Wrestle. Oh, baby. I'm so ready.
Are we going to get a stream of this?
You will, yes. I'm currently
I will,
booting
yes.
the game up. Chat have the music and such. So just assume that's happening in the background. Tom's lovely music is happening in the background.
I would assume.
Now, while I'm just
music.
setting some stuff up in the background, very quickly, I just want to point some things out. One, chat, you might have realized that we didn't have a VOT Wrestle summer. There was no Summer Showdown 2024. The reasoning for that
Didn't happen.
is it's a lot. Basically, it's a lot to prep. And I was also doing the Maelstrom Invitational. So I decided I was going to be doing no sub-giveaway marathon. And I've kind of decided, I think, going forward, that I'm not going to be doing the sub-giveaway marathon in the summer. I've got too many things going on in the summer that I can't
much.
really keep on top of it all. So instead of delivering like a bunch of crappy events, I'd rather just focus on the ones I'm doing and make some good ones. So, but that does mean something's got to change with the wrestle, because it used to be 2 events. There was one event that was the Rumble and everything, and then there was another event that was like the what's the best word for it? I guess like the conclusion of all of the loose ends and stuff. Like everyone would like fight for the title, and there'd be all sorts of other stuff going on. So we don't have that now. We currently just have like rumbles after rumbles, so no conclusion, which is not ideal, which is not the best. So my plan, and I'm not going to announce the name for it yet because I don't know what the fuck it's going to be, but my plan is we are going to be doing one wrestle event per year, and it is going to be in the winter, but it is going to be an extremely expanded event. Basically, we're going to have a lot more going on this event. It's going to be the Rumble, it's going to be the Chat Championship, a tag team belt.
Expanded like Pastry's brain.
We might bring the Valkyrie
Yeah.
belt back, maybe, we'll see. And then obviously like the VOT Championship and stuff as well. So it's going to be an expanded event that we will be doing every year. Which does mean not necessarily right now because I haven't prepared for it, but going forward there's a good chance that I'm going to be trying to keep track of the stats as they happen when we're doing the Rumble, so that we can actually then follow up with the following match being accurate, because normally what we do is like most eliminations and all that sort of stuff. So right,
We count.
now that I've got that off my belt, as it were, that's not the right word, but you know what I mean.
That's funny because you haven't actually won it yet.
I was going to say, 'cause
yeah.
Oh no!
But now that I've got that off my chest, if you folks want to just have a quick natter amongst yourselves about some wrestle predictions, maybe with the chat and such, I'm going to be adding people to the event, so I'm going to have to focus up for a little bit here.
Do you think love will bloom on the battlefield?
Oh
Well,
god,
I think the
okay.
question is, who the fuck
I think
is
it always
this? 'Cause
does.
I don't remember.
There has been no
I reckon
new
Rob will
entrants
bang
from
you in
last
a
year,
bumper.
I'll say that much.
No.
Yeah, but I still don't remember.
Will author Z be
You're
wearing
assuming that I
pants?
remember.
Toss you off in a trench.
Well, that's fun, because you'll get
No.
to see the people as if they're all
Threaten me
brand
with a
new.
bit of
I'm desperately trying to get away from tossing off in trench.
Let's fill that trench.
I don't want
You know,
to.
Twitch has that like fast mode where it's like a second behind, but for me it's like 30 seconds behind now, consistently everywhere. And I don't think it
That's a
works
lot
anymore.
of seconds.
That's probably just your brain.
Maybe.
Need more brain and fewer teeth.
It's still living
Your
the
brain
night
that
picking up the
pastry
child
has.
and turning him into a skeleton, and I can't
Tom,
stop thinking
how many
about it.
wisdom teeth do you have, if any?
I don't know. I didn't notice.
What?
It's been some good filler talk about the wrestle. I was going to very quickly say, because we've missed one of the Chat Championship matches, we're essentially running on a weird schedule right now. So normally what would happen is the Chat Champion wouldn't participate in the what do we call it? The Rumble. That would be like the one person missing. But technically, I can't really pull out the last year's winner and the chat championship person and have enough people in the event because I made only enough to like cover the Rumble roster. So we're entering in our current chat champion, who is Cadaver Elite. But I will point out, I'm going to enter in him first. Okay?
Okay.
And if he wins, while entering in first, which is a mammoth task but has been done before, he will be given an extreme advantage for the chat championship match that will happen next year. I'm not going to tell you what that advantage will be, but it will be stacked against everyone else if he wins. That will be his prize.
Oh.
Right.
He'll get a half-peeled deer.
We get to play Rob's character in Party Animals.
Exactly.
God.
He has a literal
The
shotgun.
undefeatable.
That's right. All right, chat. Here we go. Let's get this to you guys now.
So who do you think would lose all their teeth in this Rumble?
I mean, I'm at a disadvantage because I have the fewest teeth out of everybody.
Actually, do you?
Seal.
Seals have teeth.
How many wisdom teeth do you get? Like,
You get
humans? 'Cause I-
4 by default. Like, or,
4.
you get at most 4,
Right.
I think.
Are you guys getting the stream?
I like how Alexa Bliss is
Yeah,
wearing
I'm
the Winter
loading it
Warfare thing as a
now.
hat. Oh,
She was, yeah. Little Winter Warfare
that's
hat.
great. Yeah.
I'm getting out into terms.
Right, you tell me when you're ready, and then
So I
we'll.
never noticed mine come in, but I have
hope-
2 other ones missing.
I hope we get the Big Show music. That's what I'm looking
No,
forward to.
no big show.
Well,
music.
there's no volume. But I see it.
I see
take
it,
will
I don't hear
Will
it.
it be audio?
There will be, yeah. Well, you can probably hear this.
Currently cancelled. No, it's currently cancelled off.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can hear that.
I hear it.
Oh, okay.
He's making it go
This is
whoosh, whoosh,
Cass's
whoosh, whoosh.
Funky remix.
I can hear it now. I can hear it now. Yeah.
All right, everyone good?
Someone's-
Anyone waiting?
Here I am, rocky
Right.
like a hurricane.
Here I am.
Okay, in that case. Oh, okay. I didn't actually want to do that. Don't do that.
That's how Winter Warfare.
Just let me
breakfast
double
is what I
check
just
that
said.
that didn't just fuck everything up. I don't think it did.
Why was there a blank
No, okay,
character
we're good.
slot just now?
I don't want to play as a character, so I'm going down the bottom there to like enter in as no one. But I'm trying to do it, and it's like no. I don't know how to do it. I don't want to add. I don't want to add myself into the match. I don't want to be in the match.
Ad.
Maybe what I need to do
No.
is add. Oh God, how do you do this? I just want to start the match. I don't want to. I don't want to be in
It's
the
okay,
match.
you figure it out. So, I think, generally speaking, you
Okay,
can
I think
have
that'll
up to 4
probably do
wisdom
it.
teeth. But some
Right.
people are born with none.
I'm not playing as
They're
the
the
Why are
numbers.
we
Wisdom
still
teeth.
talking about wisdom teeth, face
All right,
screen?
okay. Here we go.
I don't know. I'm just trying to give Maelstrom time to figure this shit out.
Right, I'm switching over.
I don't know how many you're supposed to have. I'll figure it out.
I mean,
Default.
technically
Amount.
4.
This is going to actually take a little bit longer to load than our
Oh, total
Stinger
teeth?
video will give, but that's okay.
Well, here, let me Google that. How many teeth? And that's it.
Oh my god, please.
I have a feeling that this Rumble is going to be won by Anomalina, says Morblicious. Yeah, put some suggestions in the chat, folks. If
Lena has always put in a
32
strong run.
permanent teeth.
who you think is going to be.
Maybe noobs.
Who's that?
Minehead,
Make a big
England?
comeback.
What?
Who's this guy? Hello, it's me.
Yes, Butlers.
Jimmy
is
Jimmy
that-
It's me,
fucking
Ryan Reynolds.
Jimmy Butlands.
I'm here to introduce the rest of
Jimmy Butland? He looks like the aliens guy.
Butland?
Aliens.
It's a
Butland.
holiday camp called
Aliens.
Butlands, not Butland. That's a different,
Oh,
that's a very
That's where,
different
that's
place.
where I go on holiday. It's a different place.
Oh.
Right, well, we know who's entering in
My
first with their new stipulation. The current chat champion, which they would not normally be entering in
stippies.
first. They would not normally be in the chat Rumble at all because they have the belt. This is a long intro of this man doing nothing.
I
Okay,
want a Snickers
Yeah,
now.
so entering in first is our current chat champion, everybody. This is Cadaver Elite. Here he comes.
Wow, look at him.
Now, as I previously
He's a
just
cadaver?
mentioned, this guy
He's elite.
is our champion, and also if he wins the Rumble from number 1, we're going to be employing some cheats on his behalf in the next chat championship belt match, which will be next year.
He looks like he has lots of bones and teeth. and no brain. No offense, Cadaver.
It looks like Glenn
Says
Danzig.
you, pastry.
Listen, I have all brain and no teeth. Whoa.
Glenn Danzig with face paint on.
I think
He's
that
so
might be
chill.
pretty
He
close to
doesn't
what I
need to
ended
put
up
on a big
making.
show.
I'll be honest. Okay.
It's a really way to make
Now,
the
number
blood
2,
go
though,
up the
I have no
walls.
idea.
Don't try this at home. He snapped his own neck.
Oh, number
Imagine if
2.
he just
Okay,
fell over
number 2. I
dead.
think that's Corvus's music, if I'm right. Here he is, Critical Corvus.
Before the,
The Crow.
before the music
However,
gets
Hey guys,
lost.
it's me, Corvus.
Do you think this could be a start of like it could be Corvus, Cadaver Elite, and Cyber Necromancer? It would be like the undead, like
That would be
The,
great.
yeah, the 4 horsemen.
And then
or something.
Medusa shows up. Because
Alright.
isn't Miss Gracie Medusa? She's kind of like not dead, but she's got snakes.
yeah.
She's not dead, but she's got snake.
It looks like he's got like a Mick Foley look to him. I like it.
He does.
Surely Finn in
yeah.
the teacup would sneak in there. Yeah, definitely.
I
Like
think it was a lumberjack
Yeah.
crow was the
Oily
request,
Mick
if I remember
Foley.
rightly.
Can that mask come off?
Technically,
Like in the
not in the fight though.
If you ask nicely.
Not that I'm aware of. That might be like an unmasking
There's
match
just
or
another
something.
bird.
Because then it'd just be a
underneath.
guy with blackface.
I mean, he's got black skin as well, so he'd just be a black guy. Or for the
So was this,
For what it's worth.
was
He's
this,
very, very, very black.
was this the new WrestleMania, did you say?
Yes, we did this last year. Technically, there's nothing has really changed from then, but it's been a while. So
Like, I have no memory of this place.
exactly.
Cadaver's
Number
pants are
3 is
tight.
Hellscythe. Oh, love is going to struggle to bloom on this battlefield. Number 3 is a hell of a number to draw.
final.
Anime.
That's a long time to remain in if you want to win this one.
Yeah. Oh, Hellside instantly
Oh,
joining on.
Instant
Corvus is
friendo.
getting the shit kicked out of him.
That's stunting.
It's like his
Cyber's
metal
being
shoes.
called in.
Yeah.
Yep.
Corvus, this is unfair. Like it's just being brutalized in the corner.
Cadaver Elite really wants those.
Gloating.
Really wants
Maybe
that
Hellscythe will
cheat.
help.
Can this bird fly? Stay tuned.
There we go. Oh, spin! Oh, Cyrus! You can't read this shit.
you.
This is
Oh
unbelievable.
my god!
Are they gonna try and
faction.
just tag team? No, they're not. Turned on.
Oh my
The script has been rewritten.
No, she.
Oh,
like this is
God.
she Hellscythe is just laying him down because like take a
She
nap, sweetie.
Hellscythe,
I got this.
Fuck my knife. This is not the plan. It is too early, says Cyber. Exactly. 3, 2, 1.
Maybe it was time for
Oh,
a
the
shot.
King of Spring. Here he comes. Glory.
Oh no!
Right
I
now.
remember this being quite close.
Show us your tits.
The punching
Yeah,
flower.
maybe it's cursed.
Not blue.
Oh, and you see Corvus helping up Cadaver Elite there, and then turning
Oh
on
god,
Flower.
Flower's getting just bullied immediately as soon as
I feel like Flower's the only one who could conceivably have made their own costume.
I don't know, Cyber's
What would
Cyber's
have
got like a big
those
coat on and
suits
some
to
white
just
face
cut
paint.
their
I could probably do that.
It's like
I
a
got the
hippie
bald head.
showed up at a goth convention.
Okay, here we go. Who's
Like,
next?
Hey guys.
Zandra, 113. I remember rightly, Zandra got all the way right to the end of
I don't know
The
who's
Rumble
dead
last
yet.
time?
Oh my god, Hellscythe.
much
Oh my
of a good-
god.
It's like
It's
Catwoman.
Catwoman.
It is,
We're
yeah.
goths.
It's Michelle Pfeiffer.
Oh, it
Okay,
me.
this has gone up.
It is indeed.
Okay.
I forgot it was Catwoman, so I was going to say, oh, the Gimp has arrived.
Yeah, the
My
Gimp,
favorite
yeah,
Batman character. The Gimp.
Just like even
didn't
Hellscythe
see
is a
the
bit like
ears.
goth-esque.
So much
there's
black in the
More
arena.
Hellscythe on Zandra action.
Oh god, Cadaver, is your dream of the cheats going to bed early? It is! Oh! Here comes the pizza god himself,
There's so
the
much
pizza
purple
cultist.
now.
The tallest man maybe
nice.
in the wrestle. I'm not 100% sure he is. He's pretty up there. He's struggling to punch Flower because he's so fucking tall. Oh, Spring has not sprung for Flower.
Oh, here
There
we go.
could be a purple alliance here.
Oh, there could be, you're right.
There could be.
It could also be a black alliance here as well. We've got 3 like very...
Turning on Maelstrom, boy.
Oh Jesus.
Alright, well you made it weird. Right, here comes Lizzie.
You made it.
Number
weird.
8.
Got purple.
You made it weird when I did my troll stream.
No, you made that weird.
You did that all on your own.
Here
Rob.
comes
That was all
Lizzie.
you.
Bam!
Lizzie's been practicing. She's learned a lot of moves from Wuthering Waves.
Oh, Purple Alliance is over, I think. Oh, big slam. Flower's like, no, not today.
What is this? What is this maneuver?
Let me be the.
This has a spine problem. Lizzie's just helping him out.
Who this?
Here comes Lily Von Bonkleton.
Bob Bonkleton.
Get revenge for Cadaver Elite.
Oh, Cyber could be an early exit for Cyber. Oh, and they're doubling up. They're teaming up on him. Oh, Cyber's going home. Oh, not like this. The plan, Cyber, the plan. It all went wrong.
They fucked it up.
The undead
He's
are undone.
complaining about it.
Cyber's going backstage now to kick
bye.
someone's ass after they put him in at number like 6 or whatever.
That was against the
I told you,
plan,
number
man.
26.
Plan.
Right, there's a lot of people in the
That
ring.
money for nothing.
I missed who just came in.
Last one was Lily, I believe. Lily Von Bonkleton.
Oh,
Yes.
right.
She's the one who looks suspiciously like Alexa Bliss because they told me to make Alexa Bliss, and I was like, well, she already exists in the game, so I'm just going to kind of make like a budget version of that, I guess.
Barbie Alexa
And
Bliss.
Barbie Wrestler, yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Who's in
This is
next?
really just like
Number 10, Mad
just
Siren.
doing
Mad Siren.
spinal
I want to say
readjustments.
I never went through and did all the stats
time.
from last year. I didn't have the time, but I believe Mad Siren might have been most eliminations last year.
Oh, dang.
She was like throwing people
First
out
done.
all over the fucking
Fight
track.
track.
Fuck flowers. Fuck flowers. I hate flowers.
Catwoman was
I hate
almost
them.
removed then, like a pest from the ring.
Oh! Imagine your friend getting choked out.
These
Man,
fucking heels.
Corvus is hanging
do
in
some damage.
there.
I think friend's like getting killed. Are you okay, friend?
It'll be
Help!
fine.
Okay, here we go. He's up. Ooh, Lizzie just knocking Siren out. Flower. Double axe handle to the back of the back of Lizzie.
What's Barbie doing?
Corvus still in, by the way. Good showing so far from Corvus. Number 2.
Yeah, well, Corvus just
Still here.
like
I didn't notice when
Siren.
Cadaver Elite went out. I don't remember when that happened, but he's out. So
Yeah, he
You
got
watched him do
thrown
it.
out.
You watched-
He got thrown
you
out by a
watched Hellside.
Hellside?
Yeah.
I might have watched him do it. I'm not gonna lie.
You did. You even commented on it?
The last 10 minutes have been a blur already. Oh, there goes Flower. Oh, and Catwoman.
There goes Catwoman. The crow.
There
It's
goes
the cat.
There
The
goes
amount of leather
Gimbalman and
seriously
Trouble.
declined just in the recent.
Oh my god, we're losing the Goths one by one.
Is a
Flowers
slowly
Flowers
becoming a very female-centric
I know.
ring.
Uh-oh. Woo.
It's gonna be the like Valkyrie belt section of the Rumble.
Nobody's won it with a pin yet, so it's going well. Yeah, exactly. No one's like broken the rules
friend.
of the match type,
Yeah.
like Finn did that one time.
Poor spine.
I love that
yeah, I
when Finn
remember
did
that.
that. Just like, fuck it. I'll just win.
I'll just pin and win.
Oh, Fred, you
Oh
can
my
just
God!
so easily throw whilst playing out of the ring.
Oh,
Whee!
Mad
Woo!
Siren, staying in.
We go to space.
Okay,
Corvus is
we're
still
nearly
just
halfway
dead.
through the roster here. I think. Who we on next? 3, 2, 1. Oh, here comes Owen. 1/3 the way through the roster. Here he comes.
The meme!
Here he is in his polka dot
Little
shirt
shirt.
vest.
It reminds me of Marty McFly. I don't know why. He just says,
Dreaming of a wimpy
He's like
that
Farty
never came.
McFly.
it's for the wrestle doc.
Farty McFly.
Oh, Hellside's out.
Hellside.
Oh, outside.
Love no longer blooming on this battlefield.
Outside the battlefield.
Boom.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, cool.
Here comes Noobs.
He's going after Corvus now.
The one
Corvus is
punch.
a little
The shoe.
beat out now. Did have to fight.
Pikachu.
The Pikachu, the
Yeah.
one
Oh,
punch.
shit. oh,
Oh,
Jesus.
she's going for the punch. Oh,
Oh,
Look at
sorry,
that
Valkyrie was
Pikachu.
punching from.
oh, friend getting
Pikachu's going for
Oh my
back
God.
in. Manages to get back
She
in.
tried to headbutt.
I did see that. Yeah, I think I think she went for like a headbutt out. Corvus just absolutely whiffed
Not
all of that.
Getting her arm ducked in there, it doesn't matter. She's the Pikachu, not the Pika arm.
Exactly. Owen is
Snap
dying.
suplex.
Corvus is dead.
Powerbomb from Imaginary Friend. Corvus is very dead. He's having a little nap. He's been in for a long time. He's about to get kicked in the nuts, I think. Oh,
Oh! What? Wait,
right, close
do
those legs
birds
up,
have
Lizzie,
nuts?
please. Not safe for work. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, here comes my brother. All lives lost. I did not have time to change his wrestler this year, but I believe he might be having a change from being undead next year.
Oh. Okay. Well, he's
Maybe
goth
he's
as
there to
hell.
help Corvus.
Dead
like, again,
Kratos.
Goth Kratos.
See if he can reclaim his life by winning the Rumble.
Boy.
Again.
Boy.
Oh, I just
Listen to the
jumped and
boy.
smashed his head into the floor.
Oh, and then showing no mercy.
Boy.
Oh,
Boy.
thick DDT.
Owen! Oh!
Owen,
is going.
elbow
Oh,
dropping
he
no
missed
one.
it.
Your brother's
Oh,
like
he's about to
one
get
man
power
in the
driven.
map.
Oh, his big noggin.
Yeah,
He's got such a big ass head.
His big ass head. He's like Rog from Robin's Veg.
Everyone's just flopping around.
Rog, not Paul
Mad Siren's on the
Oh,
turnbuckle.
Siren, hold it on.
Mad Siren.
going for-
Owen trying to eliminate them.
He's fucking massive though.
Meanwhile, Lizzie's doing like a... Oh, someone's bleeding. I think his imaginary friend has got bled open. You're not going to see it because underneath a mask, but...
Oh,
It's,
Corvus in the background.
it's-
Oh, Lizzie!
Oh,
Lizzie stays in. I think this is now
She did it.
Brenda's
this
a
might be
fat
the max
dude,
amount of people allowed in the ring at
delicious
once.
pizza sauce. That's only
Might
going to give
be.
him more power.
So we're in here until someone gets eliminated. This is going to be it for a little while here.
Oh!
As we enter into the mid phase of the Rumble.
Corvus survives. Just
Corvus
about.
has
Like,
been
it's
in very long.
Big
Like
Sasuke.
Yes.
he's currently a shoe
It's been
in.
a solid showing.
tip of
He's
his
currently a
beak.
shoe in for the longest time spent in the Rumble, which is one of the slots that will
Yeah.
go into the match.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't remember,
Oh,
most
God.
eliminations,
Carrying it out.
most time spent in the ring, winner of the Rumble, runner-up of the Rumble, current chat champion, and a wild card are what usually go in towards the chat champion match that will happen next year. However, we have 2 sets of that to do. So something's gonna be slightly different next year. We'll see how it goes. Chokeslam.
I'm sorry, I just watched Corvus like stunt and do
Oh,
like
Owen's
a...
been choked in the
chokeslam.
background.
Oh yeah, it's Red
Oh my
Siren's like,
God.
the fuck out.
Owen
of
trying to
the
hang on.
freak.
Oh
Oh,
my god!
double team on the noobs there. Corvus finally gone. Corvus, hell of a showing, dude. Hell of a showing.
Oh.
Good work.
Oh, Corvus, go
Tried
Good
to
for it.
effort.
fly.
Owen survived being choked by Siren there.
It's
And then
happening again.
Straight on to being choked again.
Yeah, he's
He
gone.
loves
He's
that.
out. See you, Owen.
Oh,
I like how Corvus is like trying to walk past him. All Lives Lost also
All
gone.
Lives Lost.
Corvus had to walk over Owen's dead body in order to leave.
oh, friend still,
Friend's still in
again,
it.
Just being
Still in
awkward.
it.
Yeah, it's
He's
friend
gonna have to
and
use
a
that.
group of ladies. But noobs is showing no mercy. Just fucking.
There's a lot. Yeah, it's still the same
man, look at
four.
this.
What the fuck?
Still the same 4 ladies. These 4 have been in the ring for a long time again.
Yeah, Lizzie has been
Yeah.
tearing it up.
I really
She's-
ruffled
she's
my
most
feathers.
blessed.
We're going for
Oh,
noobs,
noobs!
making
This
a
could be a
statement.
bad time for noobs. We spoke too soon. Commentator's
Oh,
curse.
There goes the
Shit.
position.
Oh, Siren with a surprise bulldog.
She rolling.
Yeah.
Did a little spin and then the face plant.
Friend's like, I've had enough of all these women. It's time to get him out of the ring.
Really ruffled your
Right, who's in next?
feathers.
Forever right. Number
Losing
14.
piece of force.
Running!
A long
God,
Couldn't have
way.
some time without any goths.
No.
Keep
Here he
going.
comes
Unacceptable.
with those powerful looking
That's
antlers that
awful.
look like it would be
Straight
really
up. What's
scary
that
to
lady?
wrestle with.
Straight into. Well, he recognizes that he's currently the most dangerous combatant in the ring.
Yeah. Oh,
I think someone
that
genuinely
looks
grabbed
fucking
his
horrible.
That's
antlers.
pretty well.
that made me like the back of my neck hurt in real life.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. All right, number 15, midway through the Rumble entrance,
Shiny
everybody.
Hasio.
That is Shiny Hasio, not the mask. Remember, Shiny Hasio. Here he is.
Not the mask.
That's the mask, though, surely.
No, that's Shiny Hasio.
Mr.
Sure.
Mask.
Somebody stop him.
It's not Mr. Ipkiss.
Why he spin? What are you doing? Stop doing that. Oh, Lily's out.
It's because he's a wacky zany mask.
He's not Lily.
The guy is the mask.
Siren got
3,
Lily.
2, 1.
Lily's out.
Here comes Finn.
Oh.
Rainbow's Finn.
He comes
Goth
Finn.
representation.
Raid Boss Finn here to clean up.
Yeah, too many
She
ladies in
hates the
ring.
mask.
It's gonna sort it out.
She's like, your Son of Mask was a shit sequel. I hate it.
He's already like, get fucked.
Oh my god! Bam.
Finn
Oh God, Finn is just
for Lizzie.
immediately making her presence known.
Jesus.
Oh my god!
Just ragdolling these people around. They're not
Yeah,
raid
my
bossers.
God. Living up to
I'm
that
gonna
raid
pin
boss
every
name. All
motherfucker in here.
right, who's in next? Way loud.
Oh, reversals.
Here comes Mr.
loud.
Magoo. Here he is.
Oh, yeah, I forgot it's Mr. Magoo.
He's so little.
He is
Keeping
he has
that
had a bit of a
character
track
alive.
record of being thrown out within about 3 seconds of entering. So this was a
This is very
new
true.
him
Oh,
this year. Shiny Hasio's out. Somebody stop him. He's gone.
Somebody did.
They did, yeah.
Somebody did. Somebody stopped me.
Stop
Oh,
him.
Finn.
Only
3,
his tracks.
2, 1.
Mauling Prime.
Here comes Lard.
Lard.
He's
Guys, I went cross-eyed and I thought that said Leathermaker.
here to dunk some
I was
distance.
really confused.
The writing is really hard to read, actually.
I thought you were like the writing for the script is terrible. Like flipping leather.
Yeah, fuck you, Master. That's terrible. No.
Yeah. Leather Tea Maker. That's
Flurry
what
of
his name is.
elbows.
Leather
See,
tea.
the rating's hard to read. It's probably just because
leaving-
I'm streaming it at 720p because I don't want to tax my internet.
A lot of people just seem to be leaving Imaginary Friend alone, which is a big it's a
Okay, here we
mistake,
go.
I feel.
Lard
Mr. Magoo,
in the corner
however,
already.
Tried.
Who's entering
Mr.
next?
Magoo
Number
goes down
19.
thin.
Here comes Neil. Get ready for the color explosion.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm
God.
ready for Tatanka.
Oh,
There
and
we go.
Mr. Magoo goes- Tatanka. Oh,
This is what happened when I invited
God,
Neil
we
around my
could-
house and went, Neil, do you want to make your character? And he went, yeah. And then,
Yeah.
well, this is what happened.
Tatanka. We got double antlers. Look at this.
you want a text?
That went really quiet after you said that.
Yeah, that was great. I was very happy. Did you really leave me hanging out on that one? That's good.
Death by Neil Snoo. That's right.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, he's just manhandling Mr. Magoo. Whoa, Lord!
Whoa.
I've got like titanium.
What is happening? There's so many like weird reversal moves happening.
Yeah,
I
it's
know.
really confusing right now. It's like a whirlpool.
Oh.
I think Finn has
Finn's
Right,
like,
Mr.
no.
Magoo's taking friend down.
Neil in a
Friend-
submission type
still
thing
in
there.
it.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
big missile drop kick to the face.
Breaking arms.
Finn's just killing
Just gonna point out,
people.
Lizzie and Mad Siren still in the ring.
Is that a legal
Yeah.
move? Thing?
It's been quite a while.
Finn
It is now.
doesn't give
like
a
it
shit.
wasn't
Finn's just
waiting.
like, whatever.
A friend being left for a nap in the corner.
Fren has actually been in
Yeah.
for a long time as well now, if you think about it.
Finn's like, I won this with a pin once. I do what I want.
Frank's having a
I
break.
think
Oh,
I think
baby.
Lard just smashed Mr. Magoo's balls.
Not my balls. My precious antique cans.
Tatanka is a
Oh,
wonder
Brian,
to
what-
behold for
Oh,
the
it's a
visual
power bump?
senses.
Oh my God, Lard is
Oh,
in
shit.
trouble. Oh, someone got
Lard.
cut open as well. I'm not sure who that was. but-
Siren.
Siren got cut
What?
open on Tatanka's
Oh,
antlers.
Lard having his hand bitten by Mr. Magoo.
Last having his time.
I was just
Oh,
kicking the
oh.
shit out of Lizzie until he got like caught in a power
damn.
bomb. Another one of these?
Oh God!
Jesus! Oh no, reverse! Oh,
Mad
It's like
Siren, Lizzie,
two
and Fran
ancient
have been in the ring
deities.
for a very long time.
Oh, Finn thinking about running out of the ring. Oh no.
Lard again having another little nap in the
no.
corner. Oh, there he goes!
Distractions from history. Oh yeah.
Ejected
Bye.
unceremoniously.
Probably the
What do
only
you get?
people keeping Mr.
They're not
Magoo's
actually
memory alive at
imaginary. You
this
need to
point.
deal with them.
He's off to go
There he
and
goes.
massage his balls better.
Lard being brutally choked out in the corner there.
Yeah,
I want to
he's
see
dying.
Fren
But
and
Ray
Ray
Ryan
go at
looks
it.
like he's had
These are
enough
the
of
two
Lizzie.
biggest contenders.
Is he gonna?
Where do
Is he
I
gonna
go?
be
Where
strong
do I
enough to?
go?
Yep, there she goes.
Oh, Lizzie.
Oh.
I was rooting for
did
Lizzie.
it.
She was kicking ass.
Ooh.
Oh, it
shit.
finally happened! It's the big wall! Oh, Tatanka
And-
just changing direction straight away.
Tatanka got easily distracted.
ADHD
There she
Tatanka.
goes to do the dailies to Tonka. And
All right, here we
Tatanka
go.
gets them
Another entrant
Oh
coming
shit.
revenge here.
Oh, Siren trying to lift out Tatanka.
in. There's a lot to lift.
No, not happening.
Here comes
Another
Furby, number 20. We're now
Furby.
2/3 of the way through the Rumble entrance chat. Number 20.
Is Furby our reigning champion of being yoked
Oh,
out of the ring the
in a
fastest?
teacup.
I think him
Oh,
and
oh,
Way
oh,
Loud
oh,
may
okay.
be fighting for like the people who have lost the quickest in the Rumble for sure.
Do we have a category for that?
big
Because we
powerbomb.
should. Oh fuck!
Jesus. It's Furby. It's like,
Man, Furby's just coming in and
it's so funny
fucking
because
people
my
like, I was hanging out with Furby in Japan a lot this year. And it's
Yeah.
just like
Tatanka being
the same.
Right, 3, 2,
That's him.
1. Comes Gothic Owl, Stuntman Rob. Here he is.
More goth representation.
Rob.
I forgot about that. If he's Stuntman Rob.
There he is. He's got a hat.
Oh, he's
because
immediately
Stuntman
seen
is a
Delard. He's
French
like, nope, none of this. Can't have two
my
men in
God.
the ring with two black t-shirts on.
Two
You know,
bearded men.
I'm glad.
No.
I'm gonna curse this, but I'm glad Furby's putting in a better showing this year. I mean, Furby has been traditionally eliminated fairly quickly.
I genuinely thought Neil was just going to pick him up and just throw him
Yeah,
out
I was
immediately.
Throw
though.
him.
I thought I just won HP.
Oh my god, what is
Oh!
oh shit!
First pile
Oh
driver
god,
from
he
Lars.
is! He is!
Furby,
No! Okay, Furby's in! Furby, good job! Run away from the ropes, buddy! Stand in the middle! Stand in the middle!
Fred has been here for so long. He's got to be tired by now.
Yeah, Fren and Siren have been in since about like number 6 or 7 or something.
Left.
Yeah, Siren's just.
Making
She
a
just
match.
keeps coming back.
Oh, choke slam! Oh, Stuntman Rob! No! Dumpstered!
Oh,
Gothic Owl.
That's probably
Unfortunate.
like that's Fren's probably fourth elimination.
Yeah, but he is just
There's a lot.
clear in the house.
Man Rob doing his job here, taking the floor.
Realistically, if it's someone that big, you really need like a couple of people to get on. I mean, Neil is actually maybe taller than Fren looking at it, but
With the antlers, definitely. Oh,
oh, good reversal. Right, Lard.
Yeah.
Furby trying to take care of Lard in the corner here.
Finn, are you okay?
Fren being lifted.
Lifted.
Oh, is someone going to help him? That's the real question. If someone runs over and helps him, that could be the end of it.
No. Everyone else
Oh,
is too preoccupied.
Finn has got cut open.
Finn is bleeding. Caused
No
me
one
bleeding
went to help
past
Mad
Furby.
Siren, so Fren stays in.
Oh.
This pizza sauce and
3,
fresh English tea are
2,
in the ring now.
1. Unlucky Sum 41. Here he comes.
So
The
41.
41.
like he's some.
Oh, Mad Siren holding on.
Clinging
Oh,
on.
she stays in.
IT support is here. Don't worry, guys.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
When I say off and on, I mean your teeth.
What? So you get like
Have you
extra
tried
brain
turning off
power
your
from
teeth
that?
to enhance your
Yeah.
brain?
Do you know what as well? He actually does work in IT support now.
Whoa. Oh, excellent. Oh shit.
Oh, Neil.
Oh,
I thought he was gonna.
Oh, distracted.
Yeah, I thought he was just gonna chuck Finn out
Big
there, but
Finn.
no.
I wonder whether like Mad Siren's tights are giving her an advantage. She's just too slick.
It's possible.
Shiny.
He's too slippery, like a ham.
Like a ham.
Like a ham. Like a big glistening ham. Oh, Furby!
Oh
Side
shit.
Russian leg sweep.
I panicked, okay? I was going to say pink, but I thought that's a bit mean. That's a bit mean, so I'll say ham.
Ham is the nicer option.
Nuke for Prez, welcome.
for
Sliced
Prez.
or joint? That's one question. It's gotta be sliced, right? Sliced, chili sliced ham is harder to get a good grip on.
Honey glazed.
A glazed rum ham.
Oh my God, Furby!
Furby's
It's
just
been working, isn't
trying
it?
his best to
but-
extract
but
yet more pizza
Those
sauce from
people who have
Fred.
been in here for a long period of time doing a smart move and sliding, having a little sleep under the
Yeah,
hood.
having a little rest.
Shout outs to Finn, who's decided to gloat
Tatanka's
next
just
to
dead.
the Bucks.
Yeah, oh no, back to life.
Friend recovering his energy, now getting back up again. And then Furby's like,
no
nope.
side Russian red sleep.
Ooh!
I thought you said a side Russian red
It's
sword.
burst of energy from just like,
Side Russian red sleep.
Yeah.
whoa, Furby's abs of steel just reflected Mad Siren's elbow.
Big super.
Crazy how nature do that. He can do
Oh,
that in
Finn!
real life.
Oh, Finn!
No,
Tonka to the rescue.
Stays in.
Makes it back in.
Finn
look at
stays
that.
in.
Oh,
Tatanka.
Are they going to get their
Fred
revenge on
left a nap in the
Fredno?
corner.
No.
No.
Right now, there's a lot more
revenge.
fighting going on
Flippy.
than we're used to in the Rumble. I would say
This is
there's a lot less.
crazy.
There's a lot less focus on getting people out towards the
Yeah,
end
it's
here.
just murder.
They just want to kill.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
Oh
Lunch
boy!
to lunch.
Oh!
Neil is on the ropes. Is anyone going to take advantage of it?
No. Finn
No.
is too busy.
They're just too busy
attacking
fighting.
friend.
Finn
It's just an absolute
and
brawl.
Finn seem to be like.
Never mind. Forever Rotting has had enough. But Lard reverses it.
Reversal.
Big reversal.
What just... Something weird just happened with Tatanka.
That wouldn't surprise me.
Tonka's being choked out by someone.
What the fuck?
It's a bit of an earthquake just now.
Yeah,
Like
what
Mad
was
Siren.
that?
That was just because they're really big. That's what it was.
Oh, okay. Shockwaves.
Did it zoom out? It zooms in and out all the time, I think. Camera's on like a thing. Like a dolly. Oh, unlucky for someone. Oh, boy! Another elimination for Friend! Another person dumpstered with the choke slam.
Oh my god!
Oh, Finn. Oh, good counter, good counter. I think Friend could be
Nice.
in for the most eliminations at this
Oh
point.
my god! Oh my god!
Oh, reverse!
Oh!
Oh.
Just on a killing spree. Yeah. Great mod for this would be chat support where we can be the signs
Finn
in the
in the
background.
bin. Wait, Finn's in the bin?
Yeah, Finn
Oh, Finn got eliminated!
Yeah. Finn was like, I've got too much jam. It was,
I saw Finn reverse an elimination and I read the chat, and then by the time I looked back, Finn was gone. Oh my god, Fred, not another one! How many eliminations is he gonna get?
Tatanka!
Oh shit!
Jesus, Fred.
Fred is fucking on a tear, man.
2, 1.
Here comes Major Pink.
Major ping.
He's gonna Brenda in that ring.
He's gonna Brenda the Brenda.
Like, I might be able to focus a bit better now, because I missed Finn getting thrown out because I just can't stop looking at Tatanka, but she's gone now.
Yeah, I know that feeling. The colours were very distracting.
You gotta take Fred out now, says Legola to Morbo.
They got a tag team.
Wow,
They
has
got a
Morbo
tunnel
appeared
brawl.
yet? No, nor is
2,
Legola.
1.
No!
Speaking of!
No! Fucking music!
Which is not his music. I'm pretty sure.
Even
Damn it.
that bug is still in the game.
Yeah, it's insane.
What a blockhead! He's already
it's
like
all
crawling.
Again! It's,
Oh, man, Siren Fred has got another one! Another kill to the kill streak. Now, is Legola going to do
Jesus
what Legola
Christ.
said he's going to do? Also, do we think Morbo's going to follow up Legola, seeing as they were hatching a plan in the chat?
They were.
Let's see.
Oh.
No, it's Wendy!
Wendy.
Wendy, clean up shop.
When, for one night, your back is better.
Yeah, Wendy's miraculously got a better back right now.
Legola, no.
Oh my god!
Wendy, no.
Instantly after Legos.
And Fren resting up in the bottom ring
Taking
rope
a
again.
nap.
He's just
Again.
chilling,
Oh,
just
fucking
having a little
hell.
sleep,
Furby,
Getting
get
all
your
his-
hands off my wife.
getting all his stamina back.
Let me know.
He's doing chiropractic. It's fine.
Yeah. She does need
Oh,
that.
Wendy
Holy
felt that.
shit!
Her back,
there we go.
no. No.
That's right, Wendy. Have a little nap in the corner, love. You'll be all right.
Oh,
Get her a
Legola
cup
with the
of tea,
reversal.
somebody.
And immediately into another thing there. Oh, and another reversal.
Lord hangs in there.
And another reversal. Legola just reversed 3 moves in a row. Madman.
Jesus Christ!
Here goes Mrs. Gracie. Okay.
Medusa!
With
She's got
Mrs.
snakes.
Gracie has won Rumbles before. So
Yeah, she's a violent.
she's a
and
previous chat
unpredictable.
champion, I believe.
I thought you were just gonna say like she's a violent person.
Okay, here we go. Oh, I thought she was gone
shit.
instantly.
Been able to take hits over and over and over.
That would have been the fastest
Ping in the
elimination
corner.
in history.
Legola going for something here. Oh,
Oh
big
my
kick to the
God.
face.
He's over.
Oh,
Wendy,
What the
Damn.
fuck did Wendy just do to forever? I folded him in half.
Canadian destroyer.
oh, Wendy's
Wendy's
trying to
best
kill her
here.
own
Which
deer
Wendy's
so she
fun.
can skin him and put him in the fridge.
In the bath.
History.
My brother says, coming in dressed as old Greg, I think about Mr. Scrazy. Oh, shit! Holy fuck!
Oh no!
What the fuck was that? That was insane! That was such an insane clothesline! My god!
Absolutely done dirty there.
Oh, Wendy just managed to reverse that, otherwise we're going out.
Wendy saved
saving
Legola.
Lego there.
Major pay. Oh, Fred went! Fred just went!
The behemoth.
Kirby just
this
out of
year's
nowhere,
hero.
just unceremoniously big booted Fred out.
Kirby once again proving that. in front of
Oh,
him,
Fred Roggen's
he's
bleeding.
safe from harm.
He did it.
So then Wendy's like, now you're mine, Furby.
Now Furby has got Fred out. Furby's just going on a tear, getting everyone out. Oh, and there goes Ping as well. All of a sudden, we're down to 4 in the ring.
Morbo, this really
Shit.
could be your year.
And here he comes,
Here he
as if
comes.
summoned by Rob.
Oh,
Here comes Morbo.
wait,
There he
wait,
is.
did someone else just get thrown out? Oh, I think that was just Ping walking by. Holy shit, the coat! She's getting
I thought he was just going to chuck him out.
Yeah, I thought that as well.
He's from the Church of Morbo.
Trust in Morbo.
He's the Harry Krishna.
Trust
in
Morbo.
It
Oh,
does look
Legola
very
could be in
much
trouble
Morbo,
here.
though. I do like that.
Legola could be in trouble here.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, he survives.
oh it's
Guys!
Here comes Ariel Lama. Late entry.
This is one llama you won't calm down.
Cuz.
Oh my god, she's an abomination!
I think that's a wonderful outfit. She said I will be
Kill him,
Ariel
Rex.
and a llama.
With a bunny
There
tail?
we go.
It's a
Llama tail.
Oh, yeah. Of course she's a llama. That makes more sense.
It probably
Got
is a
it.
bunny tail in the game, but you know we work with what
Don't
we
worry
got.
about it. Oh shit!
3, 2, 1. Okay, the second to last entrant is the Toffle.
Oh no, it's
The
gonna turn him
Toffle.
too.
Now I don't know if everyone's been keeping
Yeah.
track, but I'm trying to figure out who the last entrant's going to be. Who hasn't been in?
Shit.
Guess it's going to be a surprise.
I don't know who's in, who's out.
No, so Shark Boy actually isn't in the match because he won the last Rumble.
Yeah.
It's new for
Oh,
Brazil.
Furby! Toffle just immediately came in and gave Furby the dog ending.
Because he's down.
Showing this year. Good showing.
Well, we're about to find out who the
Let's
last
go.
person is. The last entrant
Was doing his best to reject the llama.
One.
Whiskey
is the official
bottle.
Gibbs. Right, he's a big fucking ball of whiskey. I forgot.
He looks like a pretzel.
Yeah, he is.
How can I forget him? Oh, Legolas bleeding.
Oh, instantly making Legola bleed.
Lego taken down by.
You know what?
looks to
Forever
be
Rotting
enough.
hanging on here. That's a good champ from Rotting
Yeah.
The
He's
booze.
been here for ages. Lord's been here for ages.
Yeah, we've had some long
Yeah, Lord has
stints
actually.
in the ring in this Rumble. A lot of people lasting a long time.
Forever Rotting is probably the
Oh, Morbo going for a bottle of whiskey.
I think it's going to be really difficult for anyone to pull the longest running entrant off of like Fren or Siren or someone though. I think they were just in for so long. Yeah, they were just in for so long at the
I think
start.
Fren wasn't the longest.
Lard hasn't eliminated anyone. Has Lard not eliminated anyone? Says Lard. Lard hasn't eliminated anyone, says Lard. I made it just in time to see me get my ass kicked again. Yeah.
Hey,
No, you're gonna win this thing, I'm sure.
You're right there.
Yeah, you almost got removed.
Oh, Harold
yeah.
Frying, looking at trying to
Church
take out
Morbo.
Morbo. Send him to
Because he's
church.
trying to
Oh.
kill a whiskey bottle. Bam. Oh,
All right, chat. There's no more entrants. It's one of these. I was about to say
these
6,
have
but
to
7.
be
One of
in
these
the
7
ring.
that are currently in the ring will be winners of this rumble.
Taking down Mira there. It's awful.
Oh, bam. Whiskey in the corner.
Whiskey in the corner. I remember that version of that song.
Bottle of whiskey is kicking
Oh,
the shit
Morbo,
out of
don't want to
me.
be that side of the ring, Morbo. Don't want to be that side of the ring. That's the wrong side of the rope. Oh, down he goes.
Oh my god.
Another Irishman defeated
Why,
by alcohol.
Morbo, why?
Why must he do
Morbo,
this?
why? That's so unfortunate.
I'm pretty sure he jumped the ring on his own.
Lego
You were
carry this
He
fight.
kind of did.
Team.
You're supposed to drink the whiskey.
What is happening to Ariel Lama right now? What are you doing? What are you doing,
know.
February?
Stop it. And she threw him.
She looks
Is this a rerun?
It's a rerun.
Oh, God.
Lego.
Oh, Legola in the corner.
Lego, we gotta beat that addiction.
Oh, Legola's out.
Whiskey, don't do it.
Oh, super kick from Lard and Forever Rotting as well.
I don't know what you and Morbo were
Oh
playing,
my
but
god.
Oh, everyone's demons is alcohol tonight, it seems.
Yeah.
So we have, let's just go
Alcohol was
through
the
this real
real
quick. We have a
villain
man
all
wearing
along.
a demon mask with antlers. We have a dog. We have a llama. We have a bottle of whiskey and maybe a man that might win.
Maybe a band.
maybe a man.
Ooh.
So one of those. Well, that wasn't maybe he is a man, by the way. That is maybe he will win. So
Oh.
potentially we have one of those will win. A different representation of
Well,
various
you gotta spin.
objects
You
and
gotta spin to
animals
get out of
might
this.
win tonight.
Oh.
Just stick your arms out and spin
Whoa.
around. There we go.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh god.
Like a
Oh,
Beyblade.
Because of whiskey.
Forever
Oh,
Rotting.
whiskey. Someone could help. Someone
Rotting.
could help defeat alcoholism.
He's
Oh.
looking to kick him out
Please
along the
do,
bottom
it's
here. You
hard.
still can get them out if you kind of kick them out at the bottom, but no. Not gonna happen there.
No one helped. Everyone was
Lard,
like, I kind of like
had enough
alcohol,
of the dog.
actually.
He's like, I prefer the UFO ending.
Because beat
Whiskey.
alcoholism. I believe in you.
That's
Yeah.
how many times are you gonna do this like crucifix power bomb?
Antlers to
beat
the
that
back of
too.
the back.
Trying to
He loves it.
hurt people.
Well, big comeback from Llama. Look at this. She's cleared the ring.
Yeah,
Everyone's
Llama,
on the
the
ground.
icon's still up.
Damn.
Oh my god. Because do you have all your wisdom teeth or no wisdom teeth? It's family
Jesus
question.
fucking
Do you have teeth or brains? Which one?
Teeth or brains? Answer quickly.
Neither.
Oh boy.
No wisdom teeth. That's right. We're smart.
Oh, Toffle, that looked painful.
You know, I actually, the last time I was at a dentist, I asked, do I have wisdom teeth? Because I never knew. Apparently I
Oh,
do.
there goes Lard. All right, officially
We've
the,
lost the man.
the human representation of this match potentially has just gone. Oh, there goes our whiskey.
Did he just kill himself?
Playing possum,
Yeah.
but in fact a llama.
He went after Llama and she
Who's
just
gonna
went
win, llama,
away.
dog, or demon?
She sidestepped the alcoholism and it killed itself.
Oh god, here we go.
That's
Ariel
wonderful.
Lama
She's
making
gonna
sure
take
that the
Llama.
animals must fight for supremacy. Who will win, llama or dog?
It's down to
Holy
this.
It's come down to this, folks. Ariel Lama is just.
Llama!
Ariel Lama has like
Llama.
a
Okay.
I don't know, just like complete dedication to wanting to throw
on.
people out.
Come
No
on, come
fight.
on.
No
That's
fight.
all-
Only
That's all you
eliminate.
do. It's simple. It's just a simple concept. Just remove everyone else from the ring.
Yeah.
Now, I will point out both of these two
God.
will be getting spots in the follow-up championship match next year because it's winner and runner-up do get a spot. So
Oh, she's doing him
this is
doggy
now for
style.
pride.
Did you bring it home?
Kill the dog. Kill
Bring
the
it
dog.
home.
Oh, she
Oh, no,
hurt
she's
her
got-
little
Channel
peaches.
Maelstrom.
Oh, big knee to the mouth.
Knee. Oh, Toffle's not having this.
Oh my god.
Ah, right on the
Broken arm.
nails.
Right on the hoof.
A strong hand.
Oh,
strong
Toffle's
hands.
ready to get the dog
Stunning.
ending going.
Toffle's hooking out. Toffle's hooking out.
Woo.
Oh.
Get off me, stupid
Just a dog.
doggy.
Oh. Oh shit. Throwage.
What
What the hell was that?
Oh, shit! Popped him open like a goddamn bottle of champagne.
Cuz went to the Maelstrom School of Dog
I was
Killing.
gonna go with the jelly cup.
Jelly cup. Pop him open like a jelly cup.
Oh.
Popped him open like a bottle of Cheya's barbecue sauce, and there they go! The Toffle is the winner.
Toffle.
Dog comes out on top
Versus-
versus Llama. However, Llama does now secure a spot in next
So
year's
it
match.
was you
It's
all
also
along.
not the Toffle's music, is that right?
That is not the Toffle's music. No, Toffle does not have the Terminator or whatever the fuck that is. I don't know, but it's not their music, I'll tell you that much.
Excellent screenshot.
Damn, well, there you go, folks. We switch back.
We're sponsored by Snickers.
No, we're not.
That's another match done.
Oh.
Another
Tony
Rumble.
Chocolate only.
Now, if you missed it at the start of this segment, this stream
it's chocolate, guys.
portion, I will be making some changes to Wrestle next year. Next year's Wrestle event, there's only going to be one, so no summer showdown or whatever the fuck it was called now. I forgot what it's called. That's not happening anymore. We're done with that.
SummerSlam
And we're
time.
going to be rebranding the winter thing, and it's going to be a one event per year because it's much easier to do. And it's going to have a lot more going on in it. We're going to do the Rumble, we're going to do the Chat Championship, we're going to do a Tag Team Belt, VOT Championship, that stuff. It's all going to be done once a year. So look forward to that, should be good. But yeah, there you go. That's the Rumble for this year, folks. Now, we have two Rumbles kind of stacked up on each other at this point, where we were supposed to have a Chat Championship match last year in the summer, and then obviously we've got the ones from this year's Rumble. So there will be something different happening next year in order to crown a new Chat Champion. I'm not going to tell you quite what yet because I haven't quite figured it out, but yeah, there'll be some sort of bigger event around that, because otherwise we'll be a bit fucked. It'll be impossible. How does one get involved, says Bizzle? Well, usually at some point throughout this year, I will get in contact with some people, and if people want to get involved or whatever, we will extend invitations out. It's usually around if you're about in the community a lot, so if you're a name that's seen around a lot, any of the VOT can put you forward as an entrant. So
I'll slip you in, Biz.
yeah, we'll
Even
I will ask at some point and say, have you got anyone that we want to
That's a
add, and then
threat,
we'll
by the
kind of
way.
like rotate people in and out. So keep your DMs open. Great. Right, I'm going to set up the next match, the final match of the night. How did you guys find that? That was fun.
a lot.
That was
a lot
fun.
of actual fighting in this one, rather than just this person's in and they're hurricaned out. Instead of just power bombs and chokes.
mix-ups.
Well, yeah, not just me closing the stream going, yeah, we're done. So, yeah, it's great. I'm excited.
So nice
It was
mix-ups.
crazy.
We front-loaded Hellscythe and Cyber this time. So
I was gonna say that was a very funny part when Cyber and Hellscythe fucked up their plan and accidentally went first.
Yes, that wasn't supposed to happen. That was not on the script for them, but you know what it is. This is how it goes.
Morbo so close this year as well. Morbo like yearning for that win, but just
Alcohol took
couldn't
him.
fight. Yeah, alcohol took him, and the animal army.
Pull of
I think I need to
the
go.
whiskey was just too strong.
I need to do this real
Or the
quick.
push of the whiskey, I should say. Finn was focused on inflicting pain indeed, but you were also bleeding tea at that point.
That's true.
Yeah, you left at least 2 cups on the ring.
I thought it was jam. I thought it was jam for the scones.
Do I have someone currently? No, I do.
There's
Sorry.
ham as well.
You
Silent
guys
ham
continue
legs.
continue chatting amongst yourselves while I'm just trying to figure out my.
Pick up a ball like ham.
There was slippery ham.
Very impressed with Lizzie's
Slippery
performance. She
ham
lasted a
legs.
very long time
Pastry, don't say that.
before being
Slippery ham.
What?
initially Jotun from the ring.
She had slippery ham legs. They were slick like a freshly glazed honey roasted ham.
Honey ham legs.
Honey
ham
ham
legs.
legs.
And ham legs.
Jesus
Like, there's a Venn diagram somewhere of leg enjoyers and ham enjoyers.
Leg of ham.
Like a
Gallon
honey.
joint.
Leg of honey. Who's that guy?
Oh no, baby.
hell. We've got the bits of behind the scenes.
Oh boy, yeah.
Well, you guys have seen these
Listen.
before. Everyone seems to have
Yes,
forgotten this
sir.
has already happened 1 year ago.
I
know,
look
but
good.
I forget that
what
pastry is so
happened this year?
cursed.
Tom's changed.
No,
It's
Tom was the
okay.
same last year. I haven't made any changes since last year.
Nah. Disagree.
I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, I have not made any changes since
there's
last
that-
year.
There's that person who's not going to win any belts. So.
I still haven't bought
Oh my
this
God.
shirt, actually. Jacket. I'm going to do that.
I think I need to do it like this, actually.
Oh, is there a specific order?
Well, normally you're supposed to have the person who has the belt enter last, and I think that's the person on the far right. So,
Oh,
Whoa.
okay.
because our current champion is in fact Arthur Lee. So,
That's right.
Again.
let me just go into the chat here. I'm going to make a prediction.
Oh,
It doesn't even need a belt. It doesn't
I
wear
think I
pants.
missed the last match maybe because I was in a LARP event. Was that right?
I
maybe?
I don't remember.
Potentially.
Oh, yeah. possibly.
Potentially.
I might have been in
That
a
sounds
field-
about
in a
right.
field. Or ill, giving it last year to be fair.
Ill at the LARP, where you puked in a tent.
Yeah.
You know, picked in his pockets, in his dressing gown
Have you ever
pockets.
seen a more cohesive
Yes.
spread of characters than this?
That is that's an interesting
This is a
squad.
lineup. Take a
Yeah, kind of like for a police suspects queue, basically.
All right, chat. We don't really do much on the
Put
points
me
yet.
in a
We may
poncho.
eventually, but here is your prediction. If you would like to spend the points that you've been earning over the years from watching us,
prediction.
then you can do so with some points there to predict who you think is going to win.
I don't have any. Oh,
What?
I do. There we go.
Why do I have a skull and crossbones?
Right, and while that's happening there, I'm just going to continue changing this up. Championship. Can I do it for our belt? I guess I can.
Pastry,
I'm not gonna
don't
lie.
let me
When
down.
that, sorry, when that all disappeared, let me do it for you. That looked
right.
like Miss Piggy in the back, but it was just a woman.
We currently have
You know, sing
suddenly
women's
out of
kings,
nowhere,
I see how it is.
87% of the vote has gone straight to pastry.
What?
69k on
Don't-
pastry.
don't let
Someone
me
just
down,
put.
pastry.
As long as it's not me, I don't want this curse.
No,
Keep it away
I
from
was
me.
not. I.
It's all right, Rob. You have
Not- not wasting
6%.
points.
Alphaly has 14%. Me, Lynchy, and Logicom have 0%, which is probably correct.
That's fine.
That's a good
I've only
bet
ever won this once, I
for
think.
me.
Good for you, pastry. Boo hoo.
Thanks, Maelstrom. I really appreciate that.
I am also cursed with only winning it once. What a curse.
There you go,
that must be.
Maelstrom. It's your year.
Oh, thanks,
backed
mate.
you.
Thanks, mate.
You should have. You
Yay.
should be able to
Good
say.
luck, everyone.
Good luck, everyone
must be
else.
on
I don't
something
want
through the
it.
fucking
Just
roof.
beat me up and throw me out of the pit.
Who put
If there's
69,
anything else to
69?
keep away from off of these, like, crotch.
What?
That's the sequins. It just scares me away.
Liar.
69,
You'll break your foot.
69 on
Hey,
each,
look, there's
yeah.
points on everyone now. Yay.
Pity points.
Thanks for the pity points, chat.
I was a belt
you have a
holder
lot.
once.
I remember those days. Those
Are you not
amazing
done yet?
days.
God damn. There we go.
It's
It loaded.
thinking.
Okay.
I was trying not to
2023,
spoil
everybody.
it for people who haven't seen it before.
Yes, and we know from what is it, the Office game, how nepotism really worked for pastry.
Oh
straight
yeah.
First in Lodge Coma.
Whoa.
That's while Lodge Coma's coming in here, let's just have a quick look as well. Also 40 people in the chat. Thank you very much everyone for coming along to our anniversary. Hope you're having fun.
Hiya.
Let's have a quick look at this.
Amelia pretended to the throne of
I like it. I like your music, Tom.
It's
very good. It's from Like a Dragon.
Nice.
Why can't I look at the,
It's actually his
prediction?
music.
No, it's not actually.
Wait, did you make this why did you make this so much
What's
worse?
that
Okay, there we
tattooed
go.
on your tits, Tom?
Right, so carrying
I
in
believe
with
it's an
3% of the vote is a Lodge Coma here. 3% of the vote went to Lodge Coma. 4% went to Island of Rob. 6% to Lynchy. 18% to me, which I think was almost entirely Rob. Thank you, Rob.
I'm trying to.
Awfully
make this
10%
for you.
as well, who is our current champion, by the way. And Cowley Pastry, 59%, because
What the fuck?
Cuz put 40k down.
Oh, thank you, cuz.
Nepotism reigns once again. Right, coming in second. It's my year! I say it every year, but it's my year! I'm gonna win!
It's his
I
year.
feel it!
Visualize the belt, Maelstrom. Visualize the belt.
I'm visualizing it!
It
It
looks
holds
like
up
a
both of these pants currently.
Hey, Lizzie.
Guys,
Did really well, Lizzie.
belt. Are you sure you want that belt?
I'm using it as a chastity belt
Oh no.
Oh.
in case Rob gets me.
Odds are in
Here he is.
Maelstrom's favour, even if nothing else is. Just on like a pure,
He is the storm that
pure
is
like
approaching.
statistics, Legola, I think odds should be in my favour. Because how can someone lose this many times in a row when everything is even? Doesn't
Especially
make any
when
sense.
Ability
they're the
isn't real.
person that puts all of the effort into making all of this.
Yeah.
Even got defeated by yourself dressed
That's
as
the
a
best
clown.
running joke in the whole thing is that I'm the one who spends like hundreds of hours doing this and then I'm not winning
Yeah.
a thing. Even when I put myself against myself, I still lost.
You lost
Still
against
lost.
yourself.
It's pastry.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah,
Here comes pastry.
Abomination.
Got it, pastry.
Me. Hello, I'm here.
It's pastry outside the suit.
Hi, audience. Hello.
With this song written by Tom
Real pastry.
and
It's
performed
really
by
me.
Tom.
That's true. It's
Where's that? Where's the ring? Where am I going?
Why are you a ghost?
This is my intro. It's
Yeah, but
cool.
why are you echoey?
Because I have a microphone on. I'm going into the ring. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
the necklace. I thought it was something going around your neck.
I feel like I think everyone said that last year as well. Everyone's like, is it neck come off? Well, no, it's like a choker.
What's wrong with the face?
Don't talk about my face.
Is it community games later or bot games? We're thinking about playing something together. We hadn't really planned anything for community, so.
Yeah.
Posty, you think?
But there is a chance we might pivot to a
Instantly transformed.
community game.
Oh god.
Here comes Lynchy.
It's the costume. I'm watching the wrong stream.
It's Ming.
The horn.
The horn. It's an invisible horn.
Magic horn.
Invisible horn.
I forgot I
If
changed
this was
the song.
running at you, if you just turned around and this was running at you, would she? In full horse costume. I don't even know what
Wolf
I'd do.
bracers.
I think I've got, somehow I've selected you of the no cape option this time around, but that's fine.
That's fine. Yeah.
Capes get stuck in jet engines.
That kick.
And wrestling famously known for its abundance of jet engines.
Hey, in a jet engine match, maybe?
Is that a thing?
Face just.
That sounds like it would be a match in like ECW
Mad
days or
Max
something.
Yeah.
Jet engine match.
Fight in front of the jet engine. First one that gets sucked off loses.
Okay,
Oh, if
Jesus.
you have to put it like that.
Nay.
Now we've had enough people enter at this point. You might have you might have noticed something is hanging from the top of the ring. This is a ladder match, chat.
Oh.
It's
I
choosing
love
shows at reverse
ladders.
Sailor Moon.
But more importantly, have you considered having sex with a bearded man?
Nope. Here comes
No.
Rob. He's about to take part in his own jet engine match where he has to suck himself off.
Oh.
I
That's
like the
windy
little,
about it.
the little butt view there. My jeans are really snug.
Oh no. So like Lethal
Pastry's
Company with the
intro
ass
is like a
out.
reverse Sailor Moon.
Why have I got like? I'm walking pretty dainty at some points, but I like it. It's good.
You're a
It's 'cause
dainty
you're doing
man.
Fabulous.
I mean, I am.
You're doing
Consider
your
my
dance.
size. I'm just.
You take that up with the wrestler that was based off of, man. It's nothing to do with me. It was the one that was gesturing at the camera the most, so. Oh god, here he comes. Champion
Oh,
entering
God,
last.
yeah.
The current
Jesus.
VOT champion. Everybody,
Why are the two
come to the
phones out
ring.
in the back?
It's all for thee.
I wanna
beautiful.
swing from the chandelier. From the chandelier.
As you can see, chat, the belt does things to people.
Welcome to the
Absolutely.
fabulous.
He was like this last year. We didn't have a belt.
Oh, not afraid of showing it all off on the top.
That's
rope.
why he got the belt.
Looks like he's wearing his
Hi,
Clark's
Tom.
shoes as well there.
Like a
shit.
cross
Oh, what a
between
cool
a
flip.
swan and a slut.
A swalut.
Like a swan wearing lipstick who's given.
Like a swan touching a slippery ham.
That's definitely a swan who's taken part in a few too many
Swat.
jet engine matches.
Belt.
Right, here we go.
Let's go! Yay!
Now, chat, if you don't know what a ladder match is, basically, there is a belt hanging from the middle of the ring. You can see it there at the top of the screen.
Oh God!
You can see that belt hanging from the top of the screen right there.
Oh, my
All
What am
right,
I doing?
let me
Oh.
talk.
Sorry, I missed,
The belt hanging from the top of the screen. And someone has to get a ladder into the ring, climb the ladder, grab the belt before someone else knocks them off the ladder or grabs them down. So.
Maelstrom, those are stairs!
I don't know, I'm gonna go hit someone on the stairs, man. Fucking fuck this guy.
It's a piano.
Stop that!
I was like, where
Knock
does
it
a
off.
piano come from?
Rob, what are you
Slipper-
doing?
Slipper flap.
Rob, why are you standing there?
I'm just in
Why do I have like the
Lynchian
Nike symbol in the top of my head? I don't remember that being there before.
It's because I just don't want to. I don't want to win the
Someone
match,
shaved the
right?
top
I
of my
just wanna
head.
win the belt.
I think it's
yeah,
just
so that was-
shiny.
Maelstrom, I
Shiny
think
ceiling.
you're playing as me. That's why I'm just stood still.
We'll just confirm.
I
Wait,
can't be
really?
asked with this shit. I'm just gonna take the ladder.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I got kicked the fuck out. I should have left.
All right,
I
good
would've
luck.
at least
Good luck, Rob.
Good luck, Rob.
I think didn't that happen during the
Hold it
clown
down.
fear match?
That's how I lost the clown match. Yes. I was selected on controlling myself.
lost. Or for
I did
dragging
nothing.
me to the corner.
It was funny though.
There's so many ladders in there
Good,
already.
good pick it up though, Rob. Picked up quickly.
No, 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 no.
No, I'm so
I
flat.
appreciate your service,
I'm
lovely.
back.
Oh. Good thing you don't
Vikings
roll
of
it
Twitch,
over,
we need
Rob.
that
Would've been
pause screen
switching
as a
music for you.
screensaver. What, the menu?
Oh, Rob's going for it. Well,
Is he-
kinda. He's just.
he is going for it. Oh! Well. No, I ain't gonna last
Oh,
long.
creative.
Got him.
Oh,
From
Tom
behind
got
the
on his
scenes.
shoulders.
Oh my god, another ladder? What am I doing?
There's a lot of ladders. I don't know, I'm busy fighting
just
Lynchy on the
add into
outside.
Yeah.
Oh, that screen.
I know when we're
Right, I got you.
outside.
The controller one. I see it, yeah.
Yeah, Maelstrom has like not left the outside of the ring. He does not want that belt.
He just doesn't want it.
I'm just waiting.
got the-
I don't
I'm
wanna
biding
win.
my time, alright?
Ow!
Right now in the ring, there's no point.
So many ladders. That's the biggest ladder in
I
the
gotta
world.
wait for that
What
belt to get a
Rob
little
doing?
loose, you know?
I'm building a bridge.
What the
Another ladder,
fuck
TM.
are you doing, Rob?
Do that.
Rob is building
Look,
a
I'm
bridge.
just getting ready to cause some damage.
Yeah, I bet you're going to go through it though. You're,
Oh god, oh god, Lynchy! Oh, Lynchy just got smashed by the stairs!
Sorry,
my
pastry.
face.
Oh, into the clothesline.
Oh
Okay,
shit!
Tom working together.
Damn.
All right, everyone's in the ring again now.
Welcome in, Maelstrom and Lynchy.
Right, I'm now taking off the home with me. Oh, there we go.
Oh God.
I think I've got you in a chokehold.
I know
Right,
what you want.
taking out pastry.
Please.
Or for the getting knocked out under ladders.
Did you see Tom? He was fucking asking for it.
Yeah, he's prepping a
asked
super
for it
kick.
And he got it.
What the fuck was that? I just missed a punch.
Not the horn.
Schmack.
Well, there is no
Hi, Rob,
horn,
why'd you
so,
build a
yeah,
bridge?
No horn.
Do you want to see my bridge? Oh, God,
Oh, he just got like
oh,
backbreaking onto a ladder.
but
Here,
straight,
I
but
want
straight
to
back
build
up
a
again.
bridge too. Why did we put the ladders in the corners?
But that, let's see
More
pastry.
ladders, me.
Oh, I hope I can grab the belt with my feet. Come on, just a little bit to the left.
Oh, big drop.
There's like 2 staircases plus the 2 attached to the ring. I thought there were only ever 2, so I feel
What
like
am
there
I
were 4 staircases at this
Whoa.
point.
Jesus, Lynchy.
I think they're like
Got knuckle sandwiched
half
by a
stairs.
ladder.
They're like the top
Yeah,
half
they're
bits.
Stop kicking my bum! Stop kicking my
From the
bum!
top part, I see.
Bye, pastry.
Stop punching my
Why you
kidney!
keep lifting me? Oh,
Position
right.
the ladders obsessively.
Oh
hi, all
god,
to the
Lynchy's
others.
getting some
Maelstrom.
revenge.
Thank you.
Oh,
Let's
V.
put the ladders back in the corner.
Grabbing me in the
Thank
back.
Yeah.
It's aesthetically pleasing to be in the corner. Put them back in the
I've been
corner.
double teamed by pastry and all the V.
Aralama said it does look like someone took a razor to the top of Mayo's hair. Ow! Ow! Help me! Help me!
This is why I made a bridge.
I don't want to be here!
Somebody needs to jump
It's
on
fine.
him. Oh, okay.
I just put that there.
Lynchy
I'm
just
gonna climb
phased out
under
of
it, for fuck's
existence.
sake.
I'll be back.
Yeah, let me
Lynchy,
get rid of the
Lynchy's
pastry.
looking for ham
Nice
underneath
reversal.
the ring.
You gotta keep us to free ham.
Trying to find the hand, but can't get a grip on it. It's too slippery.
Too slippery for
It's
him.
really slippery.
Whee!
Slippery honey ham.
Pastry might be dead. Pastry hasn't moved in a while.
I'm dead.
Oh!
Please help. Ow!
I'm making sure
I
that
think
you're
I
dead.
did kick pastry in the head,
You
to
just
be fair.
punched that ladder open, Lynchy.
Oh, Lynch is taking the opportunity to go for it. Oh, I just punched you in the ass.
Punch him in his ass.
Am I going to get my 69 points? Oh.
That's the thing that like that's the mini game you have to do if you're actually playing.
I'm
I think
trying.
Oh.
You were cut off the top.
when no one's playing, it shows up. But
Get up there,
I picked
Lynchy!
up the pool cue and then
I'm
just got rid of
trying.
it.
Okay, people
there
leave
you-
me alone.
he called that pool cue. Go on, go on,
There we go.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
There
Is
we
it a snooker stick?
No, it's a kendo
I'm
stick. I think it's like a
standing.
fake
Yes.
wooden
Oh,
sword,
come
like a
on.
bamboo sword.
I,
Oh, but this could potentially
that's
leave
okay.
Maelstrom open after these 2 are down. He could just
What am I gonna do?
Win it.
Come on, Maelstrom, what are you gonna do?
Oh, he could.
Come on, buddy. Get a plan together.
he's trying.
Right, it's a
He's
bad
trying.
plan. It's a bad plan. We're just gonna walk. What is happening to Pastry? Pastry's dying on the ladder.
Punch him! Punch him! Punch him!
Yes!
Oh, we're having a punch off at the top of the ladder. Oh shit! Another one going down.
Oh my God, Lynchy.
Oh, big suplex!
Oh,
Oh, we're both
get away
up
from
there.
me.
Oh, now
Go
I love
now.
Tacoma. Like, no, put this in the corner.
Let's go back to the corner.
Oh no, he's setting up for a better position.
Oh, he's
Oh,
now
he's
he's
going
going up.
Tom's going for it.
I'm giving him punch in the legs. Big old leg punches. He hates that.
Maelstrom, you need to-
He hates getting punched in the legs. It's his weakness.
Oh no, got the ladder, Maelstrom. You can do
Climb up
this.
the ladder, you idiot! What are you doing?
You just don't want the belt.
Oh, it's so bad. Climb the ladder, you fucking twat! Grab it! Tom, fuck off! Tom, let me have it, please!
Oh, you're beating Tom. You might beat him off.
You're punching him.
Oh, I think he's gonna push the ladder.
He's gonna push it.
Well, I think that's as close as I'm ever gonna get to having the belt. I had it in my hands for about half a second.
You did.
Oh,
Oh,
Pastry, you wanna go for a ride?
As well.
Top of my head, man. Who fucking shaved my head while I was sleeping?
I'm back in 2 seconds.
Bye.
Oh god. Orphanie's down in the ring.
Oh, shit.
Elogicoma's
Tom's
going
going
up. Elogicoma's
insane.
going up. Someone
Everyone
wake
else
up
is
and go in the fucking ring. Someone wake up and go in the
He's
ring.
gonna get it.
He's gonna get it, boys. Oh no. Oh, power bomb.
Oh.
Burn me.
Thanks for catching me, Pasty.
Oh
but
God, Lynchy!
you hurt me.
I have a ladder. Could I interest you in this ladder?
Oh
No?
god,
Okay.
Orphanie's seen blood in the water.
I've
Oh,
got blood on my face.
I'm like a killer whale.
No! You're like one of Sir David Attenborough's bullshit Blue Sea documentary fucks.
oh, what just
What do you
happened to the chairs on that? That was really weird.
Bam!
They went. Everyone's standing now. We're good.
And she just tidying up.
All right, I don't know why we're fighting on the outside here, but we need to. Okay, I'm putting you up. What am I gonna do though?
Why did you
What
put him
happens
there?
next?
Oh,
Punch me in the ribs. Ow.
Oh, I gave up.
I like how the
Master,
ladder did a spin.
I put Tom to sleep and then I start
What did I
choking
miss?
Lynchy
You
out.
tucked him in. I'm taking a nap with the snooper.
Rob,
cue.
no. Rob, let me win.
I'm just whispering in your ear.
help you
Get up the
out.
ladder, you fucking idiot. Get up the fucking
Will you
ladder.
break my back?
Hey, how you doing?
Ow, ow, ow. Stop punching me.
Let me help.
Just get up the ladder.
Oh,
Get out of it.
Look at that pose. Oh.
Deserves a win, damn it.
stop that!
Tom, don't do it. No.
Oh, Mel, why are you being
Just trying
bullied
to wake
so?
you up. Get out of the corner.
Oh,
You
reversal.
never win like this.
Tidying up.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
A flying half pedal.
I'm trying to have the ladder up, Maelstrom. Stop.
Like, I love the idea there's a bunch of people in the ring trying to help me, and I'm just like, no! I'm still losing. Oh, God, I'm going to get the horn. No, please, no, don't do it.
Oh shit!
No, not my career. Oh. Well, there goes my chances. I'm fucked. Tom, you look so dead. Are you okay? You're in that weird pose.
He's not okay. Lynchy, what are you doing?
There?
Woo!
I specifically got out of the ring just to beat the shit out of Rob.
Oh, suplex onto the ladder.
And I'm back in to give you a cover.
Oh, look, I'm back up. I'm ready.
Kick to the dick.
He's ready.
I'm gonna put this in the corner.
Backbreaker.
It's in the way.
Okay.
Seriously, why is the top of my head missing?
Oh. I don't know.
Oh, that ladder's gone.
Someone shaved the line in the top of my character's head. I don't understand.
Oh, Tom. Lynchy!
Oh, God.
Detachable horn! Beating off the knee to death!
Get off my head. Ow.
We need more ladders back in the ring, it's true.
Malcolm,
You son of a bitch! Every time I clear that ring, you turn up and do a move on me. Put me out.
maybe use it kendo.
No, please stop it.
We gotta help
Ow.
Maelstrom.
Fucking wing.
I don't want to join the kendo club.
Maelstrom, get in the fucking ring!
Oh, you broke it on me.
Broke the kendo.
Oh, Tom's gonna get the fucking belt because you guys are all fighting me.
Oh my god!
No!
Get in there, Maelstrom!
Oh, not like
That's my fucking belt, and I want it back.
I'm glad it went to someone deserving.
Finally wear my pants again.
Well done. At least you tried to win it, rather than standing there in the middle of the ring looking like a fucking idiot.
You can't hit me.
Do you know what? It's been a while since Tom won, and I'm glad to see it happening at this event.
Oh God.
Me too.
I mean, I had it, then you had it, and I had it.
I had it like 3 times as well.
Straight out of Japan!
It's been too long, Tom.
That's right.
Good time.
Maelstrom!
Now I have to fight.
Thank you for all the hard work you did designing that belt.
And you got a little W crown in the background. I like it.
I did look at that win.
Yeah, Lynchy's had it. Lynchy's had it.
Right, everyone, that was another year, another Vote Wrestle. I hope you enjoyed.
Justice for Tom.
Once
love you,
again,
Tom.
another well-deserved victory. Definitely,
Me too.
definitely deserved that one.
Oh, I did it.
I'm just glad we spread it around, you know?
Yeah, it's good that everyone gets a
Really
chance
boring.
to have the belt for a bit.
Everyone
You know,
gets a
everyone
turn.
gets to go on the fucking
It's all
belt.
about
Everyone gets a
That's
turn.
what you gotta
I
do
hate
is
this
move the
game.
goalposts, right? We gotta have a match.
Master, if you left it 5 minutes with you in the ring and the ladders and before
I'd
we
still
even
fuck
ended,
it up.
you probably still wouldn't win.
I don't know what had happened. Like the jester would turn back up again, even though I made it, and it would kill me.
Me and Tom took ourselves out, and you were in the ring with the ladder set up and just stood there for like a minute.
Mayo is the
If we
guy
can
in that
figure this
meme
out,
that
can
says
we,
you
like, get
guys
a
win
match
belts.
Wait, I have an idea, guys. We need to treat this like Mario Party, where we kind of just give away belts at the end. Like, Maelstrom gets a belt for least games
That's
ever
a
won.
participation belt.
Right, I have an idea, guys. It's called pity points. Look forward to it.
Well, I do have an idea, but I'm gonna save it because it'd be. I'd have to
Okay.
make a mod, but it'd be very funny.
Right, well, folks, like I said, this is the last time you're going to see Vought Winter Warfare. Because next time around, it'll be something else. Because it's going to be sort of rebranded and bigger and better once a year, as opposed to twice a year. 'Cause it'll be a little easier to focus on. So, that sounded like a threat. Yeah, I'm like, this is the last time you'll see it, because I'm fucking sick of not winning.
I mean, that is what's happening here. That's exactly what's going
Well,
on.
Logicoma won, so there's your prediction. Congratulations. Enjoy your points, which we don't actually have anything you can spend them on, but you know, eventually, one day. You spend them on betting, primarily. Basically.
We'll put something in at the points when Maelstrom wins a belt, so you've got a while.
Jesus.
Yeah, you know,
120k out of it.
2045
Nice.
will eventually add some channel points.